In a world often dominated by sugary beverages and processed foods, embracing a healthier lifestyle can feel like a breath of fresh air. A kale shake, packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor, offers a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. This essay delves into the world of kale shakes, unveiling their benefits and guiding you through the process of creating your own. Get ready to embark on a journey towards enhanced well-being, one delicious sip at a time. Many people shy away from kale, perceiving it as bitter or unappealing. However, when blended into a shake, kale's flavor mellows, giving way to a surprisingly pleasant taste. This transformation, coupled with the shake's incredible health benefits, makes it a fantastic addition to any diet. Whether you are a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, a kale shake can be a game changer. Kale, a leafy green vegetable belonging to the cruciferous family, stands out as a true nutritional powerhouse. Its impressive nutrient profile reads like a laundry list of essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamins A, C, and K to folate, calcium, and potassium, kale provides a wide array of nutrients crucial for maintaining optimal health. Kale is particularly renowned for its high concentration of antioxidants, compounds that combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. These antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol, have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating kale into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards safeguarding your health and promoting longevity. Creating the perfect kale shake goes beyond simply tossing some kale into a blender. It involves carefully selecting ingredients that complement each other, both in terms of flavor and nutritional value. The following list outlines the key components of our low-carb kale shake, each chosen for its unique properties. Organic kale. The star of the show, organic kale provides a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Opting for organic ensures you are consuming produce free from harmful pesticides and herbicides. Water. The base of our shake, water helps blend the ingredients smoothly. Lemon juice. A burst of citrusy flavor, lemon juice also aids in preventing kidney stones and calcium deposits. Raw wheatgrass powder. A concentrated source of nutrients, wheatgrass powder adds a nutritional punch. Stevia. A natural, low-calorie sweetener. Stevia adds a touch of sweetness without the added sugar. Raspberry-flavored electrolyte powder. Replenishes electrolytes lost through sweat, ensuring proper hydration. Coconut oil, optional. A source of healthy fats, coconut oil can be added for those following a ketogenic or low-carb, high-fat diet. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, it is essential to gather the necessary equipment. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You will need high-powered blender. A high-powered blender is crucial for breaking down the kale leaves into a smooth and creamy consistency. Mason jar, or similar container. A mason jar or a similar container is perfect for storing your kale shake in the refrigerator. Optional but helpful additions to your kitchen arsenal include measuring cups and spoons to ensure accurate measurements of ingredients. A citrus juicer for effortlessly extracting fresh lemon juice. Section 5. Step-by-step guide. Crafting your kale concoction. Now that you have gathered your ingredients and equipment, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your very own low-carb kale shake. First, prepare the kale. Rinse the kale thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Pat the leaves dry with a clean kitchen towel or use a salad spinner. Remove the tough stems from the kale leaves, as they can be bitter and fibrous. Roughly chop the kale leaves to aid in blending. Next, blend the base. Add the chopped kale and water to your high-powered blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the kale is completely broken down and the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now, incorporate the remaining ingredients. Add the lemon juice, wheatgrass powder, stevia, and electrolyte powder to the blender. If you choose to include coconut oil, add it at this stage as well. Then, blend to perfection. Secure the lid tightly and blend again for 30 to 60 seconds or until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Taste the shake and adjust the sweetness or flavorings as desired. Finally, serve and enjoy. Pour the freshly blended kale shake into a glass or mason jar and enjoy immediately. If you have leftovers, store them in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. The shake may separate slightly upon standing. Simply give it a good shake or stir before enjoying. Section 6. Health Benefits Unveiled, a symphony of goodness. Each ingredient in our low-carb kale shake plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of health benefits. Let's delve deeper into the specific advantages of each component. Kale, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale supports overall health and well-being. Its high fiber content promotes digestive health, while its low-calorie nature makes it an excellent choice for weight management. Lemon juice. A natural source of vitamin C, lemon juice boosts the immune system and protects against infections. Its citric acid content aids in preventing kidney stones by binding to calcium oxalate, a key component of kidney stones. Raw wheatgrass powder. A concentrated source of chlorophyll, wheatgrass powder is believed to have detoxifying properties. It is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that support overall health and vitality. Stevia, a natural low-calorie sweetener. Stevia provides a guilt-free way to add sweetness to your shake. Unlike sugar, stevia does not raise blood sugar levels, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those following a low-carb diet. Raspberry-flavored electrolyte powder replenishes electrolytes lost through sweat, ensuring proper hydration. Electrolytes are essential minerals that play a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and fluid balance. Coconut oil, optional. A source of healthy fats, coconut oil provides sustained energy and supports cognitive function. It is also believed to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. Section 7. Meal replacement or fasting aid. Versatility at its finest. One of the remarkable aspects of this low-carb kale shake is its versatility. It can be enjoyed as a quick and nutritious breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a light dinner. Its low-carb nature makes it an ideal choice for individuals following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. Furthermore, this shake can be seamlessly incorporated into an intermittent fasting regimen. During fasting periods, consuming calorie-free beverages like water, black coffee, or tea is generally recommended. However, this kale shake, being low in calories and carbohydrates, can be a valuable addition to an intermittent fasting plan, providing essential nutrients without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. Section 8. Customization Corner. Personalizing your green elixir. While the recipe provided serves as an excellent starting point, do not hesitate to experiment and personalize your kale shake to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. Fruit fusion. Add a handful of your favorite berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries, for a boost of antioxidants and natural sweetness. Tropical twist. Incorporate a slice of pineapple or mango for a touch of tropical flavor. Green goddess. Amp up the green factor by adding a handful of spinach, romaine lettuce, or cucumber. Nutty delight. Enhance the creaminess and nutritional value by adding a tablespoon of almond butter, peanut butter, or cashew butter. Seed power. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds for an extra dose of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Section 9. Join the kale revolution. Share your green journey. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier lifestyle by embracing the power of kale. We encourage you to try this low-carb kale shake recipe and experience its incredible benefits firsthand. Remember, this recipe is merely a starting point. Feel free to experiment, get creative, and make it your own. As you embark on your green journey, we invite you to share your experiences with us. Have you tried making this kale shake? What are your favorite variations? Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable as we strive to inspire a healthier world, one delicious sip at a time.